started cake decorating, I had no idea what I was doing. I loved making cool stuff. I loved making realistic people and experimenting with different techniques, but as far as like the actual cake went, I knew nothing. Inspired by everything around me all of the time, and I think I have like some sort of sickness or problem where I am just literally compelled to create. I just see something and it makes me feel excited. I don't like being boxed into this one little thing, like I just do this. I want to be known as the cake decorator who does everything and also does it really well.